So we're going to present the successful implementation of just-in-time necessitate the systematic approach and a continuous commitment to improvement. The history of just-in-time inventory management. It was a philosophy that developed in post-World War II. So Japan tried to minimize the resource consumption in current. JIT focuses on minimizing inventory levels and associated costs. So they try to produce products at the exact time they are needed. These are the steps in cycle of continuous improvement for JIT inventory. First, the design of the process. The second is the manage of total quality control, which is TQM. Third, pool Kanban. Fourth is establish vendor relationship. 5 is fine-tune inventory. 6, build skills and capability. 7 is refine product and process. And the last step, which is the review KPIs and metrics.
10 key aspects of just-in-time that are relevant to the production and operation management. The first one is inventory management. Just-in-time emphasizes reducing inventory level to the minimum required for a smooth production. The second is the pull system. Just-in-time operates on a pull system where the production in response to the customer demand. This system ensures that the production correlates with the actual demand, reducing the likelihood of overproduction. The third is the takt time. The takt time is a key concept in just-in-time that represents the rate which production must be produced to meet the customer demands. The fourth is the Kanban system. The Kanban system is a virtual method used in continuous improvement or Kaizen. This involves incremental change and optimization to enhance efficiency, reduce the waste, and improve overall process. 6 is reduce setup time. Just-in-time aim to minimize the time it takes to set up and switch between different production runs. 7 is the quality control. Ensure that the high-quality production is the fundamental aspect of the just-in-time. By identify and address quality issues at their source, just-in-time can prevent the production of defective items and reduce the rework and waste. 8 is the supplier relationship. Just-in-time rely on the strong relationship with the supplier. Coordinate with the supplier, ensure that material are delivered. 9 is the flexible framework. Cross-training and empowering employees to perform multiple tasks contribute to more flexible framework. 10 is value stream mapping. Value stream mapping is the tool that just-in-time to analyze, optimize the steps and process involved in delivering and production or service. It can identify areas for improvement and waste reduction. Advantages of just-in-time. The first one is the cost reductions. Just-in-time effectively minimize inventory holding costs, reduce waste, optimize resource utilizations. It's the overall of cost saving. The second is the quality improvements. Just-in-time emphasize the importance of the quality at every stage and contribute to the minimize defect and rework. The third is increased efficiency. Just-in-time enhance the operation efficiency and reduce length time by focus on demand. The fourth is the consumer. It is the delivery product to the consumer on time. Disadvantage of just-in-time inventory technical. Just-in-time inventory management rely on accurate forecasting and strong supplier relationship, but it lacks backup option in case of the supply chain disruption. Just-in-time may not have enough stock in fulfill unexpected order. The forecasting can also result in a shortage of the stock, causing potential loss. The primary risk of just-in-time conform is the philosophy. Just-in-time inventory management requires everyone in ecosystem and supply chain to commit and work. The potential risk of just-in-time is the supply chain disruptions, missed opportunity, order issue, local sorting costs, and act of the nature.
How to apply just-in-time in production and operation. Just-in-time is a strategy that can reduce waste, improve cash flow, increase flexibility, optimize human Many companies which succeed JIT can maximize profits by keeping stock investment as low as possible. They use data to manage inventory. They use an ERP system to manage shipping, customer satisfaction, loss prevention, warehousing, purchases, reorder, and stock turnover. The management accept the idea of JIT approach and identify effective factors in the implementation of JIT. First, assess current operations. The analysis involves a comprehensive review of current production processes, identifying waste, excess inventory, and inefficiencies, and a comprehensive examination of the entire supply chain for potential improvements. Second, create a cross-functional team. Develop a diverse team comprising production, procurement, logistics, and quality control representatives, ensuring a comprehensive understanding of the JIT philosophy and its implications for their respective roles. Third, set clear objectives. The implementation of JIT should be clearly defined to achieve objectives such as reducing lead times, minimizing inventory, improving production efficiency, and enhancing product quality. Fourth, develop a JIT implementation plan. Develop a comprehensive plan outlining the process and timeline of JIT implementation, prioritize areas for enhancement, and establish milestones to monitor progress. Fifth, invest in employee training. The training provides for all employees to ensure that the employees understand the JIT principle, their role in the right process, and the importance of continuous improvement. 6. Establish a pull system. The transition from a push system to a pull system where production is based on customer demand rather than forecast. The visual signaling method or Kanban is used to control production and inventory levels. 7. Collaborate with suppliers. Develop strong relationships and collaborative relationships with suppliers, communication with their JIT philosophy, and ensuring synchronized production schedules is aimed for just-in-time of raw material to minimize inventory holding costs. 8. Optimize production layouts. It involves rearranging production layouts to ensure a smooth flow of material and information and minimizing workstation distance and time to reduce lead times. 9. Implement Total Quality Management or TQM. The integration of Total Quality Management or TQM principle to ensure each process products can produce at a high quality output and reduce the need for rework and waste.
10 is monitor and adjust. We need to establish the key performance indicator to monitor and track the success of JIT implementation and adjust the process to ensure continuous improvement. 11. Embrace continuous improvement. Encourage a culture of continuous improvement by encouraging employees to identify and indicate inefficiency through regular review and feedback session. It's to identify opportunity for clarifying. 12. Flexible and adaptive. JIT implementation may require adjustment. It's crucial to remain flexible and adaptation to response to changes in customer demand, supplier capability, or other external factors. 13. Utilize technology, which is real-time monitoring system, inventory management software, and data analytics to improve visibility and control over processes. So I'm gonna show you the successful company that use just-in-time inventory. What companies use just-in-time inventory management? A number of the most successful company in the world, including Amazon or Apple, they are using just-in-time inventory management and build strong relationship with the supplier to maintain their competitive position.
For Amazon.com, the e-commerce retail giants use a variation of GAT, setting up dedicated space inside key suppliers' warehouse. Amazon has a small fenced-off area within Procter & Gamble's or P&G Pennsylvania warehouse. For example, P&G loads products onto pallets and simply moves them to the Amazon area. Amazon employs the package, label, and ship products directly to consumers who order them. The Pennsylvania location is 5 miles from P&G's largest manufacturing plants and near major cities in the Northeast and Canada. Amazon can meet a critical 24-hour delivery window with P&G's personal care products. Apple, with the one central warehouse in the US and about 150 critical global suppliers, Apple has strategy and robust vendor relationships. Production outsourcing has made Apple runner, resulting in stocking most inventory in retail stores and less stock over. This approach has helped make the technology company one of the world's most profitable businesses. Toyota Motor Corporation. Toyota is one of the most well-known examples of the companies that using the JIT method. When a client places order, Toyota only receives the raw material in the factory when it is ready to start building the automobile. This process minimizes inventory holding costs.